can order high-quality PCBs and PCB assembly services at low cost from JLC PCB. JLC PCB offers a one-stop PCBA service, so they handle everything in-house, from component sourcing to SMT assembly and final build. That makes it really useful for engineers, makers, and hardware startups, whether you are building a prototype or planning small to mass production. They offer transparent pricing, fast turnaround, reliable assembly quality. Ordering is simple too. Just upload your Gerber file, select the quantity, color, thickness, and size you need. If you want PCB assembly, you can choose that option as well, then place the order and wait for delivery. Check the link in the description for more details. First, download firmware from the link in the description and open it. You'll find the circuit diagram included, so use it if needed. Next, go to the firmware folder and open the flashcode text file. Inside, you will see a COM port like COM38. Change this to the port your ESP is connected to, for example, COM7. Now copy the full command line, open command prompt in the firmware folder, paste the command, and press enter. The firmware will start uploading, and once it's done, turn on the device. Then, open Wi-Fi on your phone and connect to the XIAO network, which will open the setup page. Enter your home Wi-Fi SSID and password, then tap Connect. After connecting, the device will announce a verification code. Note it down. Now go to xiaoji.me, log in, and select Add Device. Enter the noted code and confirm. Finally, go to Configure Role, where you can change the device name and voice, then save and restart the device. Now everything is ready to use.
Hi ESP.
Hi ESP. Today's a vibrant spring day, white clouds drifting like thoughts, and the air hums with quiet energy.
Set volume to maximum.
Maximum 100%.
What's today date?
Today is March 21st, 2026, Saturday.
How do I become successful?
To become practical, start small. 1. Name one thing you can do right now, even if it's just opening a window. 2. Focus on what's in your hands, not what's far away. 3. Let go of perfection. Action, not polish, is the path. You're already practical by being here, asking. That's the first step.
Sing any song? Anyway, thanks.